Good morning. Welcome to MBA Option Trader. This is Shiva. Day 68 of 2.5 lakhs to 60 lakh challenge. Date 8/10/2025. You can see I just entered the trade. Expecting market only bearish. That's why below we are placing our SL. Let me give analysis after the placing the SL. Okay. Let me place. Rejected. Why? Just 1 second. Okay, it are crossing my SL level. Okay, let me exit by the dead market. Okay, you can say I just exited. We try to place above the SL. We book more 8 to 9 points SL. Okay, you can say I'm expecting continue fall, but it are break the previous candle highs, so that's a weak there the position. Let me show you the position. Okay, there's still position there, so I'm gonna exit this one. Okay, this is the final position. Okay, let me enter. Okay, enter it. You can see the area enter. The analysis is very clear. I'm expecting a bearish trade. Just once again. Okay, I can say market started falling. That's why we enter this particular. Let me convert the higher time frame. Okay, you can say yesterday market tried to bullish, again take rest and continue fall, and you can see past 2 days it gap open, continue bullish, try to higher way formation and taking rest, and right now it try to bearish trend. So expecting the continued trend, that's why we enter on this particular trend, and expecting this 200 going to be our target once the low goes, and this gap going to our first target, and this is going to be our second target. Okay, you can see it has to take some support from the exact this 400 EMA. In case it get break, we highly expect there is an upside bullish movement expected. So you can say as we expected, our second target. So I'm expecting market going to continue bullish. So that's why exit. I'm looking for bearish side, not bullish side. That's why I'm not entering bullish side. Once it got market giving one more confirmation bearish side, we want to enter. We have past few days market continue bullish and it's the consolidation. So I'm expecting a bearish day. So that's why I'm looking for bearish trend only. Okay, you can see this is the final position. Okay, let me enter first. So okay, I can say I just enter. I said previously I'm looking for the bearish trade. That's why we enter on this particular trade. Below we I'm gonna placing the RSR. Oh, okay, let me place first my SR. Seller place. Okay, I can say I trade SR gas place. Okay, market open. We expecting a bearish but a continue bullish. Try to create a bearish angle fin, again breaking, again try to creating a bearish angle fin, and expecting break the 200 EMA and then 400 EMA of the target. Below we gonna place our SL. Okay, you can see the rate started. That's why I try to update my SL. When the market give confirmation, just try your SL. So I'm expecting market gonna break day low. Let me place my SL first. Okay, place. Okay, I can say market are like a good bunch to my target. Still we not book because I am expecting a continue bearish. It might be chance hit our SL and we're gonna re-enter the same trade, but we're not gonna exit by FOMO or okay, you can see our SL got triggered, and mostly we lost 3 point SL only and nothing else. So we're gonna re-enter the same trade once it give me confirmation. Market try to bullish one way take resistance and create any bearish angle or any bearish pattern. We're gonna enter the same trade. So let me show you the order books and a final position. You can let me refresh notes. Okay, final position. So let me enter. Okay, you can say I just entered the trade. As said previously, I'm looking for the bearish trade. And comparing with all index, Bank Nifty more bearish. That's why we enter on Bank Nifty. You can say continue bullish and take a rest and fall yesterday. So I'm expecting market going to continue same trend. And as you can see, I try to bullish and take a rest, and right now again creating a bearish angle, breaking the over previous green candle. Once you break, which expect is 200 EMA going to our first target. Let me show you and 1 minute time frame. You can say market taking rest from the 400 EMA and previous consolidation closing and creating a head and shoulder pattern. That's why we enter once it neck breaking, expecting a below cat day low target. Okay, can see and try to place my SL, but I don't know. It triggered by selling position, but I just try to place my SL by not placing. So I'm going to exit by manually. Once it break this blue zone, I want to exit. Okay, you can say it already crossing my blue zone. The blue zone going to be our exit point. So you can see market trying to bullish. So I'm just going to exit. So I exited the final position. Okay, let me enter. So mostly is on the final. We already hit our 3 continue SL. So this is the last trade. Okay, previous I said it might be chance for continue pull. Our SL got triggered again, taking support from the 400 trying to bullish. Okay, you can see previously I said creating a head and shoulder part in 1 minute time frame, ready to break the neck as I expected to break the neck and continue for. So this is going to our first target. Then this gap going to be our second target. Gap always work as support and resistance for the intraday measures. So previous gap, so today we are considered as support. So let me update my SL below this candle. Okay, you can see I just updated my SL. It has to be falling at this moment. In case of reversal, there is no scope to continue bearish. It's going to be consolidation. And you can see the trade got started. That's why updating my trial SL. So let me update once. Whenever market give you confirmation, just try to let's say any swing or any bullish candle in any bearish candle. So you can say that's why I updated my trial SL. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, as previous said, whenever market give me confirmation, I gonna update my trial SL. You can see we are already actually good enough profit, mostly 1:2. So that's why again we updated. Once we break the 200, we can expect a good target. Okay, you can see market ready to break the day low. Once a day low break, we can expect a good bearishness because a lot of people place their SL below the day low. So once it triggered, we can expect a good rally. You can see it all trigger the SL and continue fall. Okay, you can see it try to creating a hammer. So in case it break the hammer low, we can expect our SL got triggered. There is no space to continue bearish. It might be chance for take support from the 200 MA, continue bullish upside. In case it break upside, we can expect a good rally still pending. So that's why I'm waiting for confirmation. You can see too close to hit our SL. Sorry, try SL. Let's wait for it. You can see it tried to create a green candle, so it mostly won't hit our trial SL. Okay, our trial SL got triggered. Not exiting just in second. Okay. Okay, trial SL got triggered. You can see I just enter here, exit here. Morely we achieved good profit and covered all losses. So whenever I try to lose, I lose only small points only. But whenever I try to hold, I'll try to hold minimum 50 plus points only. You can say. And see, in the last 3 days, we crossed 11,500 plus plus, with back to 2,200 plus. Because whenever I get the opportunity, I'm gonna hold my trade. I'm minimum target going to 50 points. I'll hold to more than 50 points also. But whenever it time to show it going to be loss, I'll gonna cut my losses as much as possible within the 10 point, 20 points only. Hardly it's going to be 30 points. Okay, let me enter once. So I can say I just enter this particular. As I said previously, they're going to last trade, but we already covered the all losses and back to break even. So that's why we enter the same trade. You can see continue fall and taking resistance and again fall and taking support, try to break the previous today day low and 200 minutes. So this is going to our first target and second target, and this is going to our third target. Mostly it has to be continue fall, and you can say this is last trade. That's why I entered only 100 quantity only. So I'm expecting continue fall from the market. In case it reverses, we're not going to lose much. It's only 30 point SL only. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can see the trading has started. The 200 EMA candle break and next candle also open below the body. So I'm expecting continue fall. That's why I updated my SL below this candle. Let's once the 200 EMA break, we're gonna update our trial SL. Okay, one thing, as we expected, market started falling. I will break the other previous candle low, so I'm expecting continue fall. I'm gonna place my trial SL below this 200 EMA. Let's wait for it. We can say, as said previously, once the candle club one update our SL, I said it has to be continue bullish exact span in 200 EMA break. That's why I updated my trial SL below this 200 EMA. You can see try to creating green candle, but mostly it's going to fake candle. It will end up with a reversal hammer only. Once the candle close, we can expect a good target, and this gap on our first target, we're going to hold until the gap and get a reversal. We're going to exit by the trial SL. Let's wait for the candle close. But as I said previously, it will end up with a reversal hammer and try to break the reversal hammer low. So I'm expecting a continue call, but might be chance for take some support or retracement. So that's why I updated my trial SL too close. And get a reversal, we're not going to lose much, and we're going to already achieve a good enough profit. So too close to hit our trial SL. Was okay. For trial SL trigger, as I said, it trying to take some support and creating a green hammer. So this is going to our last trade. Let me show you the final positions. Just a second. Okay, you can see these are the order books and the final position. Okay, you can see this is the entry and exit point. Okay, we already capture more than 40 points. Sorry, more than 60 points. This is previously. I'm going to book minimum 50 points. I try to capture more than 50 points also. This is the beauty, you can see. In the starting of the day, we'll book the loss of 11,500. You can see end up with 4,500 profits. So this is the beauty of patience and follow the analysis. Whenever you come to market, just do some pre-analysis. As pre-analysis I said, we are looking for a bearish trade. We continue to hit our 3 SL. I try to enter bearish trade, but the analysis is always important. As expected, market going to bearish, and I convert all losses into profit. You can see this is the beauty of pre-analysis and following the rules. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.